Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. In this video, we're going to learn how to add drop-down items to a menu item on your site menu here on the Wix Harmony editor. So here's how you can do it. Click on your site menu element, then click on Manage Menu on the action bar above. This small window will appear, so when creating a drop-down, you should first decide which of the page or item here will serve as the title of your drop-down. So I've decided that this item will be my title for my drop-down. Now, make sure that you put all the elements you'd like to place under that title directly below that specific item. You can actually drag and drop pages and rearrange them by doing so. So drag and drop them according to your preferred order as long as they're underneath the main title or the main item. They should fall under. Once everything's in place, now we're going to turn them into subpages, we can say. So to do that, simply hold the first item you'd like to be placed on the drop-down menu and then swipe it onto the right. And doing that will turn it into a subpage of the page directly above it. You can do the same thing for all the other elements you'd like to include on your drop-down menu. And once you're done, your changes will automatically save as well. If you'd like to view it, you can switch to the drop-down mode here, and you should see them on the drop-down list. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.